2016 Nissan Altima driver's side headlight bulb replacement. So I'm going to be removing a battery and then reaching in here to get this headlight bulb. I can't think of any other way to get to it besides taking the bumper off, which I have off right now. If you have the bumper off, you can kind of reach underneath here and get to it pretty easy. But I'm assuming you're not trying to do that just to change your headlight bulb. So here it is. It's a red one. Well, that's the aftermarket. Anyways, so you have to remove the battery. This hold down is removed, and then you can just get this out of the way like that. Disconnect your battery terminal clamps, negative first. It's a 10 millimeter. Be careful not to arc anything on the battery. Make sure your car's off and everything. Go ahead and disconnect these. Once that's disconnected, we're going to lift this battery out. And then now that that's out, you have to push the wire harnesses a little to the left or the right, but you could reach in here and get a hand on the headlight bulb. Just reach in here like this. And then you're going to twist it towards yourself to unlock it. So, sorry, I know this isn't the best camera view, but you'll twist it towards yourself to unlock it, and then you can slide it backwards. Now, this bulb is a H11. I'll link it in the description. You can get it on Amazon. So when it's like this, you're going to have to disconnect it from the connector. So I had it disconnected, and then here's my bulb. I'm just putting the regular bulbs in. These are the, I think they're called Sylvans. They're like extra bright. Here's what the connector looks like. This little tab, you have to push your thumb on this tab on the end of it to lift up the lock, and then you can pull this apart. They can be very stubborn. You might want to if you can, pull the connector off before you unlock the bulb to pull it out. Otherwise, you're going to be doing this all blind with only your fingers as your feelers. When you go to get in, you have to kind of rotate the bulb left and right to get the tabs to go into their little tab spot. Once they go in, then you'll twist it, I believe, towards the outside of the vehicle to lock it. And then you'll put your battery back in. Now, here's what it looks like outside of the car. This is the low beam. It sits right here. This guy right here. And then, like I said, these are the Sylvania bulbs. I don't know. I'm not saying it right. But anyways, here's your high beam right here. And same procedure for your high beam. It's the H9 bulb. You just get it out, and then you disconnect it from the connector. This is how you lock it into place. You just kind of fidget back and forth with it until you line up the tabs correctly, and then they'll kind of drop into place. See, like that, and then you lock it into place. That's how you do the headlight low beam and high beam. This bulb that's over here is your outside bulb. It's like a little tiny bulb. It's like, I forget what number it is. I'll put it in the description though. I'll put links to all these bulbs in the description. And then so you put your new bulb in, and then you put this in and twist it like that to lock it in. Now what I'm working on right here is the passenger side. So then with this is your blinker bulb. Same thing, you just twist it to pull it out, and here's what the bulb looks like. So hopefully some of this info is helpful for you guys. This car is not very DIY friendly for headlights, but that's some info for you to help you out. Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.